Hey brother, what's up?
Rakib sir,
Yes,
I
long
didn't forget
time
you.
no see, brother.
It's almost 3 years later, sir. To meet with you.
Where was you?
I live in Australia for a studying purpose. Now I am here for vacation.
Okay, I need to know about this information. Brother, please, let's talk. We'll have a cup of tea.
Okay, sir. Let's go.
Please have a seat.
Okay.
Uncle, please give us 2 cups of tea. Yes, brother.
Thank you, sir.
So what are you doing nowadays?
I am studying in Australia at University of Melbourne. Now I am here for vacation. I will go next month.
Okay. So can you please tell me the process? How did you go there?
Yes, if you want to go to Australia, first of all you have to complete your IELTS journey. Without IELTS, you cannot go there. So I chose English Fantasy for IELTS journey. It was so beautiful for me.
Is English Fantasy good for IELTS?
Yes, it's good because every time you will get a teacher for problem solving. It's good, really.
Which kind of facility they are providing?
If you go there, our English Fantasy will provide you whole day class. Okay. First of all, main class. After main class, they will provide extra class for you. If you face any problem, our teacher will provide you. Don't worry about it. It's hard, but it will be piece of cake for you. So you can choose it.
Okay, it sounds like good. So I like to visit there someday.
Okay, you can choose.
Where it is located?
It's located beside Mohammadpur.
Okay, it's nearby here.
Yes, Seven Mosque Supermarket. You can go there.
Okay, brother. So I have some work. That's why.
Okay, I have to go. Any problem?
I think I have lost my wallet.
Have you lost your wallet?
Can you please help me to find it?
Oh, in your bag?
No. There is no.
In your pocket?
No.
What is that in your hand?
It's my mobile phone.
What is that behind your hand?
Oh, brother, I already forgot it. It was in my hand all the time.
Okay, let me pay.
No, brother.
No,
Don't
brother.
pay. Let me pay. You are my guest today. Please. Oh, thank you for the chance.
Okay, Rakib
Okay, brother, I will talk to you later. Please don't forget
Okay,
me.
see you again and we'll meet together, inshallah.
Inshallah, please.
Okay, have a nice day.
Have a nice day.